Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can download and install the Visual Studio Code. For that, open any browser, type here download Visual Studio Code. Then click on first link, click here, 1 second. Yeah, here based on our requirement and our operating system, we can download the Visual Studio Code. So in my case, I'm going to download for the Windows and my system is 64-bit operating system. So for that, I'm downloading this one. I have already downloaded this one. So let me show you in my local system. 1 second. Let me go to the download. Then double click on this file to start run as administrator system. Then here I need to accept terms and condition. Then next, click on next. If I require, then I can change. Then next. Yeah. So it will take few minutes to install the Visual Studio Code. So please wait for that. Yeah, 1 second. It's almost complete. Yeah, then click on finish. Then let me show you how we can run the Python program in the Visual Studio Code. So our Visual Studio Code is open. Then click on file, then open folder, then create one folder, any location where you want. So let me create this folder. 1 second. Yeah, done. Then select. Yeah. Then here that folder is showing. Then so first I need to install some extension regarding the Python. For that, type Python for VS Code. You should install this extension in your system. I have already installed, but you all install, then click on that icon and create one file. Yeah, in this file we are going to write the Python code. So let me print hello world. Then to run this program, we have to open the terminal, then new terminal, and here we can run our Python program. For that, we need to first mention the Python. Then we have to mention the file name, which is in my case sample.py. Here in place of sample.py, you have to mention your file name. See, hello world is printing. So this is how we can run the Python program in the Visual Studio Code. So thank you so much for watching this video.